Welcome to educational channel. So in this video for class 10th maths ICSE board, so I'll explain one of the model paper and other model papers are available in the description below link. You can go through it. So if you see topic wise approximate allocation of marks in this paper is from commercial arithmetic 10 marks. That means section A is one from shares and dividend, and section B is banking one question, shares and dividend one question, 3 marks. Similarly, algebra is 27, coordinate geometry is 14 if you observe, geometry and mensuration is 28, and trigonometry is 12, statistics is 19. So if you observe the pattern, then you understand from every topic how the questions are coming. So which topic is more, which is less, right? So all the model papers and previous papers are available in this website. You can see the link in description below also. And not only this, there are around 30 papers, model papers are available from the same ICSE board for class 10th. You can go through it. Let us start the question wise now. So let's see first question. So we'll see one by one. So the first question is, okay, let us see one by one. Now the first one. So in first A, what number should be added to x cube minus 9x square minus 2x plus 3 so that the remainder may be 5 when divided by x minus 2, right? So let the number k, so what number should be added means let we take as k. That remainder may be 5 when divided by x minus 2 is the question. So let me take the equation, we'll solve the problem. So what number should be added? So I'm taking let k be added to the given expression is x cube minus 9x square minus 2x plus 3, okay, and therefore let me take this f of x. So f of x is equals to x cube minus 9x square minus 2x plus 3, and what number should be added? Then we should take that is plus k. Now this is the f of x. So 9x cube minus 9x square minus 2x plus 3 plus k. Then f of x is divided by x minus 2. So that is a given. So given statement if you observe. So given data is when, according to question, when f of x is divided by x minus 2. Divided by x minus 2, then the remainder. So remainder is mentioned, that is equals to 5. Therefore f of 2 is equals to 5 because x minus 2 is divided by x minus 2, then f of 2 is equals to 5. This is by remainder theorem. By remainder theorem we can take f of 2 is equals to 5. Now wherever x is there, just substitute the 2. Then that implies 2 cube minus 9 into 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 3 plus k is equals to 5. From this you'll find out the k value simple. That is 2 cube is 8 minus 2 square 4 and 9 fours. So 36 minus 4 plus 3 plus k is equals to 5. From this take all the terms on side. Then 8 minus this minus 4 plus 3. So finally you'll get k is equals to 34. Okay, add these 4 numbers and take other side. Right? And see now 34 should be added to this number to get the remainder is 5. Then when divided by x minus 2, that number is 34. And let us take the next question. By investing 10,000 in the shares of a company, a person gets an income of rupees 800. Okay, the dividend being 10%, if the face value of each share is 100. Find the market value, number of shares, and rate percent which the person earns on his investment. Let's take the given data and find out all this. Your total investment is 10,000. Okay, let me take question. So I got the problem. Total investment. So total investment is equals to rupees 10,000. This is given, and nominal value is rupees 100. So let market value is x because we need to find out. So market value is rupees x. Then number of shares, we need to find out 3 questions. First is market value, that is x taken, and number of shares, then rate percent also. Okay. Then number of shares formula. We know that number of shares is equal to total investment by market value. That is a 10,000 by X. This is number of shares. And dividend is given in the question. So dividend is equals to 10%. Then if you know dividend, you can find out the income from one share, because income of a share is always depend on the nominal value. Then so dividend is always depend on the nominal value. That means income from one share, that is equals to 10% of dividend is 10%. So 10% of nominal value, 10% of 100. 10% of 100 is 10 itself, because 10 by 100 into 100. Then annual income means total income. That is income from one share is 10 into number of shares is 10,000 by X. So 10 into 10,000 by X is the annual income. Now if you see the question, person gets an income of 800. According to question, income is 800. That means this value is equals to 800. So 800 is equals to 10 into 10,000 by X. From this we can find out the value of X. So X is equals to 10 into 10,000 by 800. So 0 0 cancel and 0 0. 1000 by 80 is 125. Right? So X is equals to 125. Therefore X we have taken market value. Therefore market value is X, that is equals to rupees 125. And number of shares. Second question, you need to find out the number of shares. That is 10,000 by X, right? So 10,000 by 125. 10,000 by 125 is 80. And rate percent. Okay, if you see this, rate percent on is investment. So rate percent on is investment. Whenever you need to find out rate percent on investment, we'll take, so here is a income from one share, that is rupees 10 by, so 125 got market value of one share. So income from one share is rupees 10 and market value on one share is 125 into 100. This is a rate percent. 10 by 125 into 100 is 8%. Just use the calculations. Therefore rate percent on his investment is 8%. This is about question number, next one. And third one is in first C, calculate mean, median and mode of the following distribution. So we should find out the mean, median and mode. So 3 will find out one by one. Let me take the table. So here is two columns already given, that is variate and frequency. And it means this is a xi and this is fi. We need to find out two more columns, fi, xi and less than cumulative frequency, because we need to find out mean, median, mode. Three we should find out. So let me take the table. One is already variate is given, and one more is also given in the question, frequency and fi, xi and cumulative frequency. These four we need to find out. So according to the question, variate, let it be xi, and frequency is fi. These two are given and we need to find out fi, xi and cf. So cumulative frequency is less than. So less than cumulative frequency, find out. First variate the given data. If you take 3, 4, this is as per question, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is given data. And frequency is 3, 5, 8 from question. 7, 9, 4, 3 and 1. And fi, xi, this both will multiply. So this is the given question, and if you multiply this both, 3 into 3 is 9, 4 5 is 20, and 40, 42. Just to multiply this, 63, 4 8 is 32, 9 3 is 27, 10 1 is 10. Right? And frequency is n, that is n is equals to sigma fi. If I add this total, that is equals to 40. And from this column, sigma fi xi, that is 243 will get if I add this total, and less than accumulated frequency. So first number from the frequency only CF will come. The first number is 3, and 3 plus 5 is next number is 8, and 16, 23. Just add 32 plus 4 is 36 plus 3 is 39 and 40. This last number is nothing but n value will get. Now using this data we can find out the mean, median, mode. So if you see the mean formula, you know that first one is mean. So that is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So direct method. That is 243 by 40. So this is approximately 6.08 will get just by doing division. And n is, if to find out the median we need to check the n value. Okay, this is the mean, and to find out the median, here n is equals to 40. So that is even number. So if it is a even number, then median is equals to 1 by 2 into 40 is n value. That means 20th observation plus 21st observation. You know the formula, 1 by 2 into n by 2 observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. If you apply that, 1 by 2 into 20th observation. So from the table observe, after 16 means from this both 17th observation to till 23rd observation, that variate is equal to same line, we have the 6. Okay, after 16, 17 to till 23rd is 6 only. That means both are 6. 20th observation, 21st observation also 6 plus 6. Just add this both, 12 by 2. So answer is 6 itself. And to find out the mode is nothing but maximum number of times each number is occurs. So from the xi, if you observe, this is a maximum frequency is 9. So for 9 straight number is 7. So this is the mode. From xi we should take. So maximum number of times which is repeated. That is xi is equals to 7. So which occurs maximum number of times. Because 9 times. So maximum number of times. Because frequency is 9, that is highest. So therefore that mode is equals to 7. Okay. This way you can find out the mean, median and mode. So this three you can find out simple. And this is about first question. Now let us see the question number 2 and we'll solve these problems.